How good is your Spanish? Let's see if you're ready to impress someone. In this video, you'll test your Spanish with 30 flirting words and phrases. If you make it, leave a comment below. Let's begin. How do you say you look beautiful? Estás hermosa. How do you say you look handsome? Estás guapo. How do you say I like you? Me gustas. How do you say I really like you? Me gustas mucho. How do you say you are very attractive? Eres muy atractivo o atractiva. How do you say can I have your number? ¿Me das tu número? How do you say do you want to go out with me? ¿Quieres salir conmigo? How do you say I miss you? Te extraño. How do you say I love you? Te amo. How do you say you make me happy? Me haces feliz. How do you say you are special? Eres especial. How do you say I like your smile? Me gusta tu sonrisa. How do you say you are amazing? Eres increíble. How do you say I can't stop thinking about you? No puedo dejar de pensar en ti. How do you say I want to see you? Quiero verte. How do you say I want to be with you? Quiero estar contigo. How do you say you make me smile? Me haces sonreír. How do you say you are perfect? Eres perfecto. How do you say I'm thinking about you? Estoy pensando en ti. How do you say you are cute? Eres lindo o linda. How do you say can I kiss you? Puedo besarte. How do you say I want to kiss you? Quiero besarte. How do you say you smell good? Hueles bien. How do you say you look good? Te ves bien. How do you say you are my type? Eres mi tipo. How do you say I like your style? Me gusta tu estilo. How do you say you are different?
Eres diferente.
How do you say I enjoy being with you?
Disfruto estar contigo.
How do you say you make me laugh?
Me hace reír.
How do you say I feel good with you?
Me siento bien contigo.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and keep learning with us. Comment if you were able to complete them all. See you in the next video.